topic of this video is hands as a calculator. Number sums and products are abstract facts that cannot be easily associated with visual objects. Consequently, memorizing abstract facts is very difficult. The facts in the addition and the multiplication table. The hands represent a readily available visual object that can form number sums and products, and that fact allows a much easier process of memorization to take place using our hands as a calculator. Through repetition of the procedures, the facts in the addition and multiplication table will be memorized automatically. When recall fails, the hands are readily available at all times to do the calculation using your hands as the calculator. Hand calculations are superior to pencil and paper arithmetic for one simple reason. The students can practice the procedures at any time and any place. They don't need a pencil and paper. There are 10 basic numbers in our base 10 numeration system. Since we have 5 fingers on each hand, or 10, there is a one-to-one correspondence between the basic numbers and the fingers. And that fact allows the hands to be used as a calculator. Because 9 is the largest basic number, the largest number in the addition table will be 9 plus 9, or 18. In the multiplication table, 9 times 9 is 81, so that'll be the largest number in the multiplication table. Some examples, we use 2. I want to add 9 plus 8. Okay. Now, the camera is your eye, and these models are your right hand and your left hand. Okay. So we're going to count, starting with our right hand, we're going to count up to the addend 8. But since we already have 5 fingers on each hand, we're going to start our count at 6, and we're going to follow the procedure according to the American Sign Language, and it goes like this. This represents 1, that 2, thumb 3, okay? Then for 4, I'm going to close the thumb and open those 2 fingers. That's a 4, and then finally 5. So the thumb is used for 3 and 5, and we're going to follow that, but we're going to start our count at 6. So in the right hand, I'm going to say 6, 7, and then extend the thumb, 8. So I have 3 extended fingers in my right hand. In my left hand, I want to count up to 9, so it's going to be 6, 7, then the thumb comes out for 8, and then the thumb closes, and I lift these 2 fingers to make 9. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 4 extended fingers in my left hand and 3 in my right hand. 4 and 3 is 7, and that's the ones place. Now the tens place is always going to be a 1 because the sums that we're interested in, adding 2 basic numbers that add to a 2-digit sum, that sum must be between 10 and 18. So 9 and 8 are 17. I would like to multiply 9 times 8 using a method called visual 9, and that is we're going to start with both hands open, all the fingers extended. So there it is. We start with both hands open and the fingers extended. And the multiplier using visual 9 is always going to be a 9. And the number that we multiply 9 by is called the multiplicand. And we're going to designate the numbers, the multiplicands, as this is 1. We're going to start our count on the left and go all the way over to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I want to multiply by 9 times 8. So I'm going to go over to the 8th finger. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to turn it up, facing you. Remember, the camera is your eyes, and these are your hands. Okay. And so you do what I'm doing on the model. All right. This multiplicand 8 separates this into 2 sets. There are 5, 6, 7 on the left, and there's 2 extended fingers on the right, to the right of that. So 9 times 8, this is the tens digit, 7, and the ones digit is 2. So 9 times 8 is 72.